Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you what is stop limit and how to use it on the Binance trading platform. Just like the buy limit and sell limit, the stop limit order comes under the limit order category but with a slight change. A stop limit order is a conditional trade over a set time frame with stop price and limit price features. A stop limit order will be executed at a specified price after a given stop price has been reached. Once the stop price is reached, the stop limit order becomes a limit order to buy or sell at the limit price or a better price. By the way, I have already added videos explaining both, so if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you check it out by clicking the I button. Now, let us try to understand this. In a stop limit order, you give instruction to your broker that when the price reaches a certain level, that is the stop price, a new limit order should be opened at your desired or predefined level. So, first, the price reaches the stop price levels, which triggers a limit order, and then when the price reaches the limit order, your trade is opened. For example, let us say you are a breakout trader and on ADA USDT, the price is approaching a support zone. So what you want to do is you want to wait for the price to break the support and then enter at the retest of the support, which will now act as a resistance. For this, you can use a limit order. So all you have to do is select a price where you think the breakout will get confirmed. So let this be 0.94 level. So this will be the stop price. Now select a price where you want your trade to be opened. Let's say after the breakout you think that the price will retest till $1. So you want the trade to be opened at $1 and let $1 be the limit price. In this case, the sell limit. So when this price will break through the support and hit your stop price, a limit order will be opened, and when the price retests the level and touches your limit order, a sell trade will be opened. These types of orders are very important when you want to limit the emotions from your trading and strictly enter at the retest of an area. So let us see how to use stop limit on the Binance trading platform. To open a limit order on Binance futures trading platform, in the type of orders, select stop limit. Now choose the currency pair on which you want to place a stop limit order. After choosing the currency pair, here enter the stop price where you think the breakout will be confirmed. Like in our case, the stop price will be 0.945. Now here, enter the price at which you want to open a sell trade. In our case, it will be $1. Now enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Now note that you always have to keep the trigger price to mark price. Now in the time in force section, GTC means good till cancelled. So select GTC if you want the order to stay intact till you delete it. IOC means immediate or cancel. If you select, the order will be filled immediately and any unfinished order will be cancelled. FOK means fill or kill, and here the order will get filled immediately. If not, then it will not get executed at all. Now after you have done choosing, click on buy if you want to buy or click on sell if you want to sell. So in this case we are selling, so your order will be placed and it will be visible on the chart as well as the open order section. Now as soon as the price reaches the level at which your stop order is placed, the limit order will be opened at your mentioned level, which is $1, and when the price reaches $1, after this your position will be opened. Now if the price doesn't break out and doesn't reach the stop price level, your order will remain intact but no position will be opened. And if you want to cancel the order, you can directly do it from the chart or from the open order section. Now for those who use Binance on smartphone, to place a buy stop limit or a sell stop limit, Go to the futures option. From here, select the pair you want to trade on. Now select buy if you want to open a buy stop limit order, and select sell if you want to open a sell stop limit order. Now here in the orders section, select the stop limit order. Keep the trigger price to the mark price, and now enter the stop price in this section and the limit price over here. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell and click on sell. Your order will be placed and it will be visible on the open orders section. So this is how you place a buy sell stop limit on Binance Trading